Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you June of my Sipsby subscription unboxing. I believe that this is June and I don't know that I filmed my May unboxing. Any months that I have filmed, I'll go ahead and leave in the description box below. I also have, when I very first started receiving these boxes, some stories saved in my highlights on my Instagram. So if you haven't been to my Instagram, which is Fairy Tales and Fitness, same as it is here, if you go back on some of my stories at the beginning of this month, at the beginning of this year, or even towards the end of last year, I feel like I've had this for a while, you can check some of those earlier boxes out. So if you don't know what this is, it is a subscription service that sends you tea based on a profile that you fill out. So you go on to Sipsby, you answer a couple of questions, just getting a gauge for the kinds of teas that you prefer, whether you like loose leaf or bagged, if you like more spice versus more floral, that kind of thing. And then they send you samples of 3 to 4 teas monthly. So it's a really great way to expand your tea palette and your tea collection. If you have, like myself, we've got a little station in our kitchen that we have our Keurig machine, and I've got some teas that I can make for myself. I mean, I always end up going to Starbucks as well, but this is nice for my morning or even like kind of a nightcap tea. I'll use my Sipsby teas. Anyway, I was correct. This is my June box. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull as I see, and I will read you the back for the full descriptions and where you can find them. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first one popping out at me is this one, this vibrant blue tea packet. And this is Tea India. And this is the orange pekoe black tea. So that's what that looks like there. And then on my cheat sheet, it says that you use 1 bag per 8 ounces of water and 212 degrees Fahrenheit steeps for 3 to 5 minutes. This is a high caffeine tea. Rich and golden, this premium Assam blend delivers a strong, full-bodied brew. Orange pekoe is a fine grade of black tea which delivers a rich and smooth taste. You can claim offer on your MySips page, whatever that means for me, I guess, and you can find them at Drink Tea India if you are curious. So there is my first one. Next one that's popping out at me is this green tea, and this looks like it's from the brand Numi, and it is a organic herbal Moroccan mint. I am going to love this. I've been really going through a mint and peppermint tea phase. I have a Twinings peppermint cheer, like old Christmas tea box that I've kind of been going through, but I've really been enjoying it, especially in the morning. I think it's just very soothing to have mint tea kind of settle everything. So on my cheat sheet it says Moroccan mints, Sips by Numi, 1 bag per 8 ounce water, 208 degrees Fahrenheit, and steep for 5 to 6 minutes. This is a caffeine-free tea. Soothing Moroccan mint, known as Nana mint, flourishes in North Africa. Light and lively as a newly picked leaf, its sweet spearmint flavor is refreshing any time of day. And you can find them at Numi Organic Tea. Oh, I'm very, very excited about that. And all of the directions too, which is really nice. If you don't keep your cheat sheet, as I do not, it says it on the back of the individual packets. So that's great. Third tea is bright orange, perfect for summer. This is the Southern Breeze. There you go. Looking at my cheat sheet, this is the Mango Cold Brew Sips by Southern Breeze. 1 bag per 8 ounces of cold water. Cold water. So this is I don't think I've ever brewed a cold water tea. That is so interesting. Steep for 5 minutes. High caffeine. This sunny mango perfection is made with real tea leaves in a pre-sweetened bag that you cold water brew. Steep, chill, and enjoy, and with no sugar. Again, it says claim offer on your My Sips page, and you can find them at S Breeze Tea. So I think what that is on My Sips, you can go in so you can give reviews based on previous boxes, alter any modifications that you want for future boxes. But I think that you can also purchase like full-size boxes or full-size tins of the teas if you get a tea in your box that you really want that you really like and want more of. So I'm thinking maybe that's what that means by claim offer. I am very intrigued by this because, as I said, I don't think I've ever done a cold brew tea. Very cool. This last one is Tea Lyra, the Galaxy of Teas. That's cool. So this says, calming de-stress sips by Tea Lyra. 1 sachet per 8-ounce water, 205 degrees Fahrenheit, steep 3 to 4 minutes. This is low caffeine as well. Calming de-stress is a renewing wellness blend created to soothe your body and mind in the most delicious way possible. It can help relieve the tensions of the day and boost mood. Again, claim offer on your My Sips page, and you can find them at Tea Lyra Tea. Okay. Oh yeah, this one actually gives me save 20% your next order using coupon Sipsby20. So if you guys want to check out their website, Tea Lyra, and use that, I'm sure that's a generic code that is in every subscription box. So that's very cool. Overall, fantastic box. It definitely just keeps getting better and better as I go on and rate my previous teas. It definitely just keeps getting more and more. I'm like stuttering over my words today, tailored to me. But I thoroughly enjoyed that, and I hope you guys did as well. If you are a tea fiend like I consider myself to be, or are curious, I highly recommend the subscription service. It's very affordable, $10 a month, and it is a great way to find and try some new teas instead of just going to Starbucks all of the time. But if you guys enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!